What's the meaning of cross-border? Cross-border. Cross-border.
Cross-border. Cross-border. Cross-border refers to the movement of people, goods, or information across national borders or boundaries. It is an activity that involves crossing geographical, legal, or cultural boundaries, and can take place for various reasons such as trade, migration, tourism, or education. The result of cross-border activities can include cultural exchange, economic growth, and innovation. However, it can also lead to issues such as security concerns, cultural clashes, and social tensions. Overall, cross-border activities have a significant impact on the global economy and society.